guys, welcome to my channel. Today you should have started out watching our very special guest, Patty from Let's Pour with Patty. An amazing artist, super sweet lady, just an awesome person. Love her to pieces. And after her, we have Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon with Venom Fluid Art. After him, you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me, you have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After Shannon, you have Sis or Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And after her, you have the sweet Hippy Dippy Painterman and maybe my lovely sis Cat. All right, so today I'm just going to do a couple coasters. I think I'm going to start out with a bloom. I've got my pillow paint down, which is Color to Go Sherwin-Williams. I've got some custom colors out, and we are just going to see what we can come up with. All right, so my first color I'm going to put on is really pretty blue. My pillow paint is a little thin, and it's a little warm in here, so, and it might be a little shaky because I'm in the camper, so, it's a little shaky. All right, here's my purple. All right, after purple, we're going to go with an interference. It's a Ghost Amethyst. All right, after Ghost Amethyst, I have a custom pink. Okay. All right, let's work with that. I have my black cell activator, and we will just see what happens here. I'm sure nothing is level in here, so we're gonna move that over just a little. All right, let's put this down. I'm gonna blow this out. Okay. Put my hands off again, hopefully. I don't get it all in my hair, but you know how I roll. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, let's let that do its thing for a minute. And give that just a minute. And we'll let it do its thing. Get my hands off again. Try not to be too bouncy with you guys. Hopefully you can still hear me. I turned the air on. It's a little bit hot in here. All right, so I'm gonna blow on that middle just a little. My doggy, sorry. Okay. All right, let me. Chief, go lay down. Okay, well, there's my doggy. You might see him over there. I thought maybe he was gonna get the paint or something, and then I'd have to. No, I'd probably be in deep trouble. All right, let's just let's do this. We're just gonna do a simple pattern around the outside. Around the outside, around the outside. Maybe like that. Don't know. Okay, let's take this down and spin it a little. See what happens. Okay. Okay, hopefully that's kind of in the middle. We shall see. Okay. right, that's pretty. Okay, let me pop that up. Let me see if I can get it to come up without making a mess here. All right, let's wipe this bottom off a little bit. If I don't drop it. Okay, let's set this up on something. Still wipe off the bottom. Yeah, that's really super pretty. All right. Okay. I will be right back to show you guys what this looks like. Here she is. She turned out super pretty. I really like this one. Cells are gorgeous. The colors are super pretty too. All right, I'm gonna do one more for you guys. I think I'm gonna do a radial swipe. All right, guys, I'm back. I've got a round. It's like a 6-inch round. I put my pillow paint down, which is the Glidden Premium. No, I'm so sorry. Color to Go, Sherwin-Williams, Tricorn Black. I'm gonna use the same colors, but I'm gonna go in a little different order. I'm gonna start out with the pink. So we're gonna put that down first. I kind of made a mess, but that's okay, I think. Okay, so we got pink. All right, then after the pink, I'm going to do the purple. Okay, after the purple, we're going to go with the Interference. Okay, and after that, we're going to go with the blue. A little more. Okay, that's what we're going to rock with, I think. All right. Get this over towards the middle more. Smooth that a little. It's not very level in here, so we're going to see what we can do though. Okay. Get the cell activator on here. Okay. Let's see what we can do here. All right, here we go. All right, I'm just gonna leave it like that. How that's gonna go. Wasn't the best radial I've ever done. Alright. We're gonna give it a minute. Don't know what happened there, but I don't like it. So we are gonna let it. Gonna try this right here again. So let's go. I'm just gonna do that. Okay. And with the rest of it. Okay. Alright, let's see what that does. I don't know. I'm not thrilled with it. I might have to give it a minute. may just do it again. Watch me go. Okay. All right, don't pay attention to me. We are just going to start this over. Okay. We're going to start this over. Okay. Okay, there's the pink. We're going to go for the purple. Okay. Now we're going to go for the interference. And we're going to go for the blue. Okay. All right, let's try this again because I just didn't like it. Okay. Okay. All right, let's try this again. All right, let's go with that one. See what that does. Blow on it just a little in the middle. Sorry if I'm bouncing you guys everywhere. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna like this or not, but we're gonna rock with it. We shall see what happens. All right, so I'm just gonna come from here because it's gonna spin out a lot. So let's go. I'm gonna do that right like that. Okay. Wipe my hands off. I don't even know if you guys are gonna be able to see this thing. The way this dang camera is right now. Okay. Set that down. Okay, let's spin this. I'm gonna spin it easy. Let's see which way it's going and how far I should do it. Okay, we're gonna come this way just a little. My pillow paint's really, really thin. And I don't know why. I guess because it's been warm outside. Okay, let's go this way and that way. Let's go like that. I'm trying not to spin it all off completely. All right, let's see here. Might need to do it one more time this way, maybe. Just gonna spin it like that. All right. I think maybe that's the way I'm gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna bring it up here a minute. All right, guys, I'm gonna take my skewer and just do a couple little things here. I think I'm gonna let's see. Just kind of do that. I don't know why. I don't know. I think I'm done. I'm just going to leave it alone. All right, guys. I'm going to bring you down for guys. Here she is. Tell me what you think in the comments. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate all of you who have done that already. I think she turned out really pretty. I wish I could have got it a little better for you, but I'm kind of adjusting here, trying to figure out where I'm going to paint and everything. So it was raining outside, so I kind of had to do it inside, and the lighting's not very good. So up next is Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After her, you have Sister Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And after her, you have the sweet Hippy Dippy Painterman and maybe my lovely sis Cat. Have a great day or great night wherever you guys are, and I will see you on the next one. Love you guys. Bye.